Yeah.
Hello guys. Forget.
Into the bowl. Adding clean water. Clean. We are washing. Okay. We are making yellow corn pap and then millet pap. This is millet. This is the millet we are going to use for our pap. Our customer wants this. Let's pour. Millet very dirty. So we are going to pour until the water runs clear. Follow us, millet. This first. This is not too dirty. This is not too dirty. We are just going to be washing this twice for soaking. Why this has too much of dirty? It's too dirty. You can see the water is black. I'm going to wash this too. We are coming. Let's drain the water from the pap. Pause. Yeah, this is our first wash. We are washing it the second time. This is already clean. Okay. This is clean. We are going to drain this water and soak this. This is clean. So we are going to be washing this for like 3 more times. Let's move this away. This is clean. We are going to drain the water. And we are going to be washing this. This is very, very dirty. This is dirty. You can see how dirty that is. You don't want to eat dirty in your food because it is pap. So we are going to be draining the water. Let's drain. The last washing. It is clean now. We are going to be giving it the last washing before soaking. So guys, let's see dirty from it. We are doing this to get rid of stones from the millet. But my head is not showing.
Yeah.
See big stones. See stones. My baby is giving you vibes behind the camera. The stone. So we are done washing, and these are the stones under our pap. Now we are going to be soaking our corn. Now we are going to be soaking our millet. I'm soaking it for 3 days now. 3 days. It's going for 3 days. And this. Soaking this. So, guys, we are done washing our pap. We are going to be leaving it here. After 3 days, we come and check. By then, our pap has already been fermented, ready for grinding, guys. See you later, guys. So it's been 3rd day now. We want to grind our ogi. That's it. It's the 3rd day. We have initially changed the water. We changed the water. So this is the 3rd day. We are going to be grinding it. Let's check the millet too. Wow. 3rd day of soaking our millets. We are going to be giving it thorough washing and taking it to the grinder to grind it. Let's rinse. So we have rinsed this too. We have rinsed this, going for grinding. We have rinsed this too, going for grinding. So we'll be back, guys. Stay tuned. See this nylon to tight. Baby shouting. Are you shouting, darling? 2. Strong. stop crying. Some minutes more, some minutes more. Mama. Some minutes more. Mama, buy our Ogi. Ogi business. Sorry. Mama, my baby is doing voiceover for you. Say, patronize my mommy's pap. She sells in paint, in counting, and in retail. Don't worry, they are hearing you. They are hearing you. They will buy from your mom. Sorry. Mama. Baby's crying. Sorry then. I'm done. No. She has been quiet all along. That is the end of our Ogi. We are finished wrapping it. Yeah. So the remaining nylon goes into hiding. This one. So guys, we are done with our pack for sale. We sell in paints, in cages, and in retail. Feel free to buy from us.